Next experiment, that creating the VLAN. So before creating the VLAN, can anyone tell me what is VLAN? Yes, class. Can you tell me what is VLAN? I want to see some response from you guys. Yeah, tell me what is VLAN? We have to configure VLAN and VLAN trunking protocol. I want to see some reply from you all. What is VLAN? Virtual LAN, virtual local area networking. So generally what happens, suppose that you are in block 14 and there are various department like AIT CSC, MBA and normal CSC, for example. So the broadcast domain, the packet travel all the network. You can virtually divide it. Whenever you are going to have a physical LAN, it's very costly, but you can configure your switches in such a way that the signal, the packet will be, segregated. Devarsi Patel, just leave and join with your UID, otherwise your attendance will not be marked. So how we are going to implement that? We have to, let's select, let me remove this, drag a little bit. Okay, fine. Let's click on the end devices. So here I am selecting a switch. Two switches I am using. And let me take PCs. Suppose that here I am having a PC. So guys, what we will be doing, I will create a 3 VLAN. Let me take a note. I will create the 3 VLAN, and those VLAN number one will be for AIT CSC, one will be for AIT MBA, and one will be for example CSC. So these are the name, but you can select the ID, virtual ID for that. 30 will be given to CSC, 20 will be given to MBA, and 10 will be given to this AIT CSC. And after creating the VLAN, you have to implement the trunking protocol. Trunking protocol. Can anyone tell me the advantage of VLAN? Direct LAN connection. Yeah, correct. Any other reply, guys? Can you tell me some advantage of VLAN? Why we are going to implement the VLAN? Are you with me, guys? Devarsi Patel, leave and join with Devarsi Patel, leave and join with your UID. Otherwise, your attendance will not be marked. So let's hook up these all devices. So class, which cable is required to connect all these species? Now it's old thing. Let's be automatic. But if you connect that manually, 0 to 03, 0 0 FH00 FH02 FH03. Which cable is required to connect these two PCs? Two cross, two switches. So let's take it across, connecting 4. This is the topology that we will be implementing. All right. This will be working as a trunk. Let the trunk, select the trunk color. This will be, I will create a trunk. Okay. Let me take a note. I will be creating it as a trunk. This trunk word, anyone know about this? This technology is from, PSTN. Just remember the port. So you will create VLAN, then implement the trunking protocol. Then next step is you can assign the ports to VLAN. These are the three tasks that we will be doing: creating VLAN, assigning port to VLAN, and trunking protocol. Is it clear till now? Is there any doubt? Yes, class, is there any doubt? Is it clear? This topology, let's take a note. So 3 VLAN means, let me also segregate a little bit. This is a circle, fill color. AIT is always golden. So this I will keep in VLAN 1, VLAN 10, that is AIT CSC. And this PC also I will keep in VLAN 10. So after that, let's take some other color. And this PC will be in VLAN number 20. This will be in VLAN 20. And let's select another color. What? Which one? Green one? Yeah, fine. So this will be in another VLAN and this will be in another VLAN. So I was asking, so let me take a note. This is VLAN AIT CSC. This is for AIT CSC. AIT CSC. This is, for example, AIT MBA branch. This is for AIT MBA. And this is, for example, normal CSC. Normal CSC. You know what ID I have decided for that? What ID I have decided? Let me save it to my document. This is, I'm creating a VLAN. Any other advantage? Yes, class, you were telling me some advantage. Just this is the scenario. Trunk word, where it is borrowed. Trunk word is borrowed from PSTN industry, public telephone switched network. So you have to, when I say switch 1, I mean S1. When I say switch 2, I mean S2. What are the other advantages of VLAN class? Allow easy resource sharing, that's fine. For security purpose, your security also fine. You don't need to have a different set of the network. Suppose that there are 3 buildings, first floor, second floor, third floor. Do not need to use different set of do not need to have different set of the switches and all networking, all different IP addresses. So you can create virtual. Okay, where does this virtual word came? Okay, there is LAN, local area networking. Now this terminology used, virtual. What does that mean? Trunk. So let's start and have a diary with you, have a pen with you. So we will assign the port. So remember this port, FA, remember this port, this will be required. This is FA01, this is FA02, this is fast Ethernet 03. This will be required. We will be assigning FA01, FA02, FA03. So you can give any IP address. Suppose that I am giving an IP address 10.0.0.1 to this allo VLAN, and here this is in the same VLAN. So I will be giving 10.0.0.2. Similarly, For AIT MBA, I'm given 20.0.0. You can visualize many things. If I give the same IP address, they can easily communicate in between. If the network is changing, whether it is subnet or any other IP address, what is required, guys? The router, internet working. But here you will say how smartly it is implemented by using the switch itself. We will configure our switch in such a way that it will be, I am not configuring anything. I'm just taking a note. Reply me, are you with me, class? Just taking a note. Is every scenario clear to you all here? Let me know whether everything clear. Reply in the chat box. This topology is final. Just take a look at this topology. Have a look at all the nodes. So this time, अच्छा कई बार मैं बोलता था, sometime I say, can you display the MAC table? Yeah, you have to go to the switch. Now first I'm going on switch 1. I will configure this switch 1, then I will go to the switch 2 and configure the switch 2 as well. So clicking on switch 1, come to the CLI mode, command line interface. Can you see this, class? Can you see this? iOS command line interface. I'm here in switch. Yes, can you see this? Okay. As you all know, to work on it, you have to enable it. For the same, there is a command, enable. Hit enter. Let's see. Let's see whether there is any VLAN or not. So VLAN brief. There is a command to display the detail about the VLAN. Can you see this output? Let me maximize. There is one VLAN. VLAN ID is one. Name is the default VLAN, and you can see all the port. Anyone can unmute yourself and tell me whether it is clear. Palaxi, are you there? I do not want to return again and again to that Zoom window. Whether it is clear?
Yes, sir.
Anyone can just confirm me so that I can.
Yes, sir.
There is only one setup command and you need to repeat that. How many interfaces are there? How many ports are there? From 0/1, 0/2, there are 24 ports. We have not created any VLAN, but by default, there is one VLAN. And there is another VLAN also, FDDI default VLAN. So 1002 default, 1003 token ring default, 1004 FDDI. So generally this question is asked in Viva interview. अगर आपने कोई भी VLAN नहीं क्रिएट किया है तो कितने VLAN हैं? We have not created any VLAN. By default there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 VLAN. Is it clear? You can answer this.
Clear, sir.
If we assign this port to any VLAN, so we have enabled, and you all know that to make any changes, you have to run configure terminal command. I have typed the command, hit the enter, configure terminal. You can see I am here in configuration mode. Now, what is the command to create a VLAN? The command to create a VLAN is VLAN itself. You give the VLAN, then space ID. So VLAN 10. Do you remember VLAN 10? Any one of you? Palapsi. Remember, I have decided. VLAN 10 VLAN space ID 10. It will be ITCSC. Is it clear? I haven't entered. Enter. So here you can see the configuration VLAN. Now you will provide the name. What name I am giving? With the command name, I am giving AIT CSC, capital letter. A capital letter is the name given by the user. A small letter is the command itself. Yeah, this VLAN is created. VLAN 10 AIT CSC. Then exit from this VLAN 10. Again, we are repeating the same. VLAN 20. What is the name of VLAN 20? I have decided. Anyone? Are you with me?
AIT MBA.
AIT MBA created. Exit from here. Now again VLAN. What is the name of VLAN 30? I have decided already. It is
CSC.
CSC. Done. Very good. I have typed only CSC now. That's name command is missing. Name CSC. Again this VLAN is created. Exit. And what was the command? क्या कमांड था सारे VLAN को शो करने के लिए? So VLAN 3 okay, this is not executed from here. This is executed from the privilege mode. So VLAN 3. Can you see how many VLAN are there now? There are 10. VLAN ID 10, it is AIT CSC. VLAN 20, it is AIT MBA. VLAN 30, it is AIT CSC. Any doubt up to this point? So we have done step number 1. Okay. What was step number 1? That we created 3 VLAN. Are you with me, guys? Is it clear? You can unmute yourself and you can talk to me.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, no doubt. So just exit from here. I note down this important command. So VLAN. So same, I'm working on switch 0. You can see that I was working on that. The next task, I have to repeat the same on switch 2. Go to the CLI, repeating process. This is the repeating process. Fine. On 2, I have to create the VLAN also. Same step. Enable the route switch, then configure CONFT, configure the terminal. After configuring the terminal, what is the command to create the VLAN? VLAN, then ID, and the name. What is name of 10? AIT CSC. It is created. Exit. I'm repeating the same. I hope there is no difficulty. 20 is what? Name. 20 is AIT for AIT MBA. Okay, it is created. Exit from here. Fine. Then VLAN 30. Name. Why I'm going? If I'm going fast, just tell me. Is it going fast or is it fine? Exit. So the same thing I have done on the switch 2 also. Exit from here. Exit. So VLAN brief. Here you can see. But what do you notice? Every port in VLAN 1, that is the default VLAN. अच्छा, लास्ट सेशन में भी मैंने सेम कमांड रन किया था, वहां पे समझ में आया था. I executed the same command in last session also. Did you get there? So first task is complete. is there any doubt in creating the VLAN? Guys, are you with me?
Yes, sir. Clear.
The command to create VLAN is VLAN space ID name of the VLAN. That's it. Okay. Second task is what? Second task, you can either create a trunk or you can assign the port to VLAN that you have created. Okay. So which task you want me to perform first? Anyone? Let's assign the port to VLAN. You can do it one by one. You can do it at the same time. Port means what? ये जो switch 1 पे FA01 है will be in which VLAN? Obvious, quite obvious from the picture, quite obvious
Okay.
from the topology. It is an AITCSC virtual LAN, and this it is FA02. It will be in which VLAN?
Sir, 20.
20 or MBA, same thing. And this one is FA03. So agar kisi, if this port are not display, you can go to the option, click on the preference, then you can click on always show port logo, label in logical space. Is it clear, class? If I uncheck it, see port number is not, but port number is very useful information. So what I will do, I will set it always. Fine. So what is the next task? We are going to assign the port to the VLAN. Again, I am coming to the switch 1, going to switch, enabling the switch. Fine. After enabling, I have to make some changes. So I have to enter in the configuration mode, configure terminal. Now the switch is in the configuration mode. Guys, have you ever displayed the MAC? How switch is different from the hub? We say it is a smart, intelligent. You know, it remembers something. What it remember? It remember the MAC addresses of every devices that is connected to it. I can show, but I will do it later. First, assign the port. How you can assign the port? Do you remember? You have to go to the interface. For that, command is int or interface fast Ethernet 0/1. What is 0/1? Anyone can tell me?
Sir, is the
0/1 is in which I want to assign to which VLAN?
10.
10. It is noted over here. Okay, 10. So now I have access to this interface, configure interface. So what I have to done, remember this command, switch port. I have to change the mode to the access. Note down this command, switch port mode access. Hit enter. Now I have converted this port FA01 to access mode, and this switch port will access VLAN. Can you tell me the ID of the VLAN? इसके बाद what happened after this? The same command is repeated. Which VLAN? FA01.
10.
10. Is there anyone else? Palaksi, is it clear? Ravish, which VLAN?
Yes, sir. Clear. 10.
You don't need to memorize. I have already taken a note. It is in 10 that I already decided. So VLAN 10. So this port is assigned to VLAN 10. Now work is done. You can exit from here. You can run. So VLAN brief. So do notice any change. Exit from here as you are in configuration mode. So VLAN, so VLAN brief. You have to tell me the difference from the last time and this time. अभी के आउटपुट में और लास्ट के आउटपुट में क्या डिफरेंस है?
So FA01 is in AID CSC, not in.
FA01 is assigned to AIT CSC. Up you can see from the default FA01 is not there. Done? Done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Just again you have to repeat the same thing. अभी क्या किया? FA01 assigned to 10. Then we'll work for this. FA02 will assign to 20. Right? This meeting is ending in 10 minutes. If you say I can extend that for 1 to 2 minutes, hardly 5 minutes. Again, I'm repeating the same command. No need to explain again and again. Okay, fine. Enable, configure the terminal. I'm repeating the same. Configure the terminal. I have to work on interface fast Ethernet. This time I have to select which? 0/2.
02.
And I have to change the switch port mode to access. Right? It is changed to. And this switch port will have access to the switch port. This switch port will access which VLAN? Which
20.
VLAN? VLAN.
20.
All right, done. Exit. Now I have to work on interface FA 0/3. I am writing in abbreviation, or you can write interface. Okay. The above command was same. First Ethernet 0/3. Both are the same thing. Now I have to change the switch port mode to access, and this switch port will have access to which VLAN? Switch port access VLAN. I'm just typing the first letter and pressing the tab button. This VLAN exit, done. Configuration router 1 configuration is done. So VLAN, you have to repeat same thing. Done. Same thing that I have performed here. Sorry, on switch 1. Same thing is to be changed on switch 2. Okay. Click on the switch 2. It's already enabled, but let's start from the starting. Enable mode, configure terminal. Okay, all right. Configuring terminal. I have to check FA01. FA01 is in 10. Same thing. So I have to go to the interface, fast Ethernet 0/1. Then change the switch port mode to access. Now it have the access privilege. Now this switch port will access the VLAN 10. Exit the interface, go to another interface, fast Ethernet. These are the repeating 0/2. So change the switch port mode to access mode. Okay, this switch port will access the VLAN. Which VLAN? Anyone respond? Which VLAN?
20.
20. Exit the interface. Go to another interface. First Ethernet 0/3. Same thing I am repeating. Switch, change the switch mode to access, and this switch port will access VLAN 30. Done. Exit. Against that, so VLAN brief. Last task is what? Last task is what? Trunk. Okay. Now, can you? We have to create a trunk. Only then this will be segregated. So desktop. Let's create the trunk first, then we will work for that. So last task is the creating the trunk. It is fine. This interface, do you remember? It is FA04. I want to run the ping command. That's why I was here. Ping 10.0.0.2. 5 minutes still. ये तो सेम नेटवर्क का है. Why it is not being pinged? Yeah, why it is not being pinged? I have still 4 minutes. Can we do it? Can you see this output? The same VLAN not able to ping. This is because this interface don't know its role. Okay, what is the role? Fine. What is the role? Let's give it a role. Which role you want to give? I have already decided. FA04 will be a trunk, right? It will act as a trunk. So you have to enable, you have to make any changes. So you have to go to the configuration, configure. You have to access the interface FA. Which interface, guys? 0/4. FA stands for first Ethernet. You are on first Ethernet. So simple command, this switch port mode, you have to change it to trunk. That's it, done. So it will take some time. Till now, the switch was not able to know its role. Now it is converted to trunk. Exit the configuration mode. Now we have implemented VLAN and VLAN trunking protocol. VLAN trunking protocol, there are two protocols, 1.1Q and IEEE, one from the Cisco proprietary. Exit. You can show interface. You can show interface trunk. Which interface is trunk? See the output. Which password is, which protocol is used? I have given this command. Which command? So interface. I have 2 minutes and I have to show only whether you are able to. Can you see this output? Is it clear? Mode is, switch port is 0/4. What is the mode? On mode. Which protocol? 802. And status trunking. Port FA02. VLAN are allowed from 1 to 105. VLAN are allowed 1, 10, 20, 30. Should be, is it clear, guys? Let me know. Are you with me?
Yes.
Clear? So now again I want to, what will happen when you are adding any router, the signal is coming from the outside. So if some packet are meant to be delivered in AIT-CHC, right? So it is useless to be broadcasted to all because it will create a congestion. Agree? So let's say only last task, I have done this configuration. Last task, we have to ping which system? LOVLAN. LOVLAN is what? LOVLAN is AIT CSC. Now, whether it is in the same VLAN, generally it failed first time. Okay, what happened? For the first time, okay, one thing is missing. What is missing? You have to give the IP address. IP address is not configured 10.0.0.1. If IP address is not here, how you can you configure the IP address of all? Yes, class. It is 10.0.0.2 done. Let's see.